In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save contacts to list in Apollo.io. By the end, you'll confidently take a group of contacts you've discovered and place them into a targeted list, ready for outreach, segmentation, or future follow-up. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused, so you can repeat the workflow anytime. First, head to the People section inside your Apollo workspace. This is your master view of leads and contacts. From here, you can use the search bar and filters to zero in on exactly who you want, by title, company size, location, technology used, and more. Getting your filters right before you add contacts to a list saves time later, because you'll be grouping people who truly fit your criteria. Give the results a quick scan to ensure the profiles align with your goal. Next, select the contacts you want to save. Use the checkbox next to each person to choose them individually, or use the top checkbox to select all results on the current page. As you select, watch for the running count at the top so you know exactly how many contacts you're working with. It helps to skim each profile's title and company to avoid adding anyone who doesn't belong in this list. If you make a mistake, simply uncheck the contact before proceeding. Now, look for the Add to List option in the Bulk Actions toolbar that appears once you have contacts selected. Click it to open the list selector. If you don't see the option, double-check that at least one contact is ticked and that you're on the People view. The action won't appear unless something is selected. When the selector opens, choose the list you want to use. Pick the list that matches your campaign or segment naming convention so your team instantly understands its purpose. If your organization uses standardized list names, stick to those to keep reporting clean and reduce confusion later. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct list. This keeps your outreach organized and prevents mixing unrelated audiences. Finally, confirm by clicking Add to List. Apollo will process your selection and show a success message when it's done. If any of the contacts were already in that list, Apollo typically prevents duplicates, so your data stays tidy. To verify everything worked, you can open the list afterward and spot check a few entries. That's it. Click People, select your contacts, choose Add to List, pick the correct list, and confirm. If something doesn't update right away, refresh the page and try again. Keep your filters focused, your selections intentional, and your lists consistent, and you'll have a clean, reusable pipeline for every campaign.